This is a brief introduction to how to use the VR equipment. So for the headset, when you receive it, it will have been in a case like this, and you take it out. You're going to open the top by unclicking it. It's clicked into there. Then you're going to find buttons on the side. There's these little white buttons. You're going to kind of push in on both sides to do that, so this black part will click out to make it a viewer. Then you're going to take the phone, and on the phone, once you get into the screen, you'll be in the Google Expeditions app, and there'll be the option to join an expedition. I don't know how well you can see that, but yep, down in that corner it says join an expedition. So you're going to click join, and then you're going to have to click join again. And whoever your guide is, in this case it's me, it's got my name, my email up there. You're going to click join. And it says your guide is getting ready. And then it lets you know that you need to put it in your viewer. To put the phone in the viewer, you're going to put it on the back side with that little black strap. And click the little black strap back into that little spot on the top so it holds it securely. And then you're going to look through the viewer, and as directed, you may need to turn your head to one side or the other, but you do need to stay seated. If you get dizzy, take it off your face and then just put it back on when you don't feel dizzy, because sometimes you might get a little dizzy while you're looking around. There's also a button on the top of the viewer, this button. There might be times when you need to click it. But you'll be directed to do that by the instructor. And that's it.